Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at the Intersect tool. We have two options, Intersect Single and Intersect Multiple. Let's say we have a row of 5 identical bathrooms here and we completed the sanitary design of one of those. It is a well-connected piping network with sloped pipes, 1% sloped pipes, and now it's time to copy this design to the next bathroom, right? But the problem is the elevation of this connection and the connection that we will get here will be different because this pipe is also sloped, meaning the elevation of this point on this pipe and this point on this pipe is different. So let's see how it looks in 3D. As you can see, it is misaligned, right? Let's try and see what it does when we try to connect without doing anything. It throws an exception. So let's see what Intersect can do. You start a tool, you select your reference pipe or duct or any kind of MEP curve element. This is our reference now because we will keep this in position and we will try to connect this to this, right? We selected our reference pipe and then as second we selected our branch. Now try and connect our pipes into each other. As you can see, it is connected beautifully. Let's see how it looks like in 3D view. Yes. Now let's try to do it for the multiple instances. All right, we copied our design into other imaginary bathrooms, right? And now let's go see how it looks in 3D. It is even further misaligned, right? Because this pipe goes higher and higher while the elevation of these pipes will be identical. So I will keep this view in 3D view this time because I want to show how the pipes or the network will be moving when I start the Intersect tool. So this time we will use Intersect Multiple because we have 3 instances that we want to connect. We start this tool, we select our reference pipe, and then afterwards we select our branches. I want you to pay attention how these pipes will move so that they will be able to connect it. After selecting our pipes, our branches, we will go here and click Finish. I want you to pay attention to the pipes. They just move in Z-axis. It doesn't change the slope or it doesn't do any kind of trick. It just changes the elevation of the piping network. And now we can finally connect our pipes into each other. And let's say we have here an elbow. This is fundamentally what Intersect tool can handle. Now let's see what we can do more with this tool. Here we have ground ducts connected to each other using an elbow. This one is just a regular horizontal duct, while the other one is with 100% slope or 45 degrees angle. Now I want to create another duct. Let's say this has 2100 millimeters of elevation. And now I want to connect this to this. Let's see how it looks like when we try to connect it without doing anything. All right. It connects, but only using a transition piece. It was pretty close, to be honest. I want to admit, but still not perfect. And now we start Intersect tool. This time it's just single because we're going to have just one instance of connection. We just pick our reference because we want to keep this in position and select our branch. Now let's try to connect these two into each other and see how it looks in 3D. Without getting involved any transition piece, it just connects beautifully. In this case, we have a rectangular duct with 2000 millimeters of elevation. Now I want to create two more and change their elevation to 1000 and 700 millimeters. Now I will use this duct as reference and will move these two to my reference's elevation. Let's start our tool. Hit finish, and now these two have also 2000 millimeters of elevation. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.